about the boring old PB&J. We're about to take snack time to a whole new level right now on Backyard Summer Fun. My kids love snack time. As a mom, I'm always trying to find new ways to mix up the routine and surprise my kids with unexpected ingredients and yummy recipes. So today, I decided to get a little creative with snack time. Well, all right. It is summertime and it's snack time. What are some of the ingredients we have here?
Banana, strawberries, granola, marshmallows, yogurt, Skittles, strawberry syrup,
strawberry syrup. What do you think we're gonna do with all these ingredients?
Eat them.
We're not just gonna eat them, we're gonna eat them creatively. How about we make something today called Skittles Parfait? That sounds good? Well, of course we have to start with Skittles. There you go. Pass that down. This is our superstar ingredient. So we're gonna start with the glass. We're gonna put a light layer of granola first, then a little bit of yogurt, then we're gonna put some red Skittles on top. You put a little more yogurt, put some more granola, a layer of yellow Skittles, the more yogurt, more granola, and you can decorate with Skittles on top. Does that sound pretty easy?
Sounds good.
Let's do it. And here you have your Skittles Parfait. It looks so good you just want to eat it, right?
Yeah.
We are going to make next snack kebabs. Very easy. You skewer all your ingredients, any order that you want, and at the end you take some of that delicious caramel or caramel, wherever you're from, sauce and strawberry sauce, and you drizzle it on, and there's your kebab. Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
So
good. Looks refreshing. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks delicious.
So let's eat this. Today was great. Mixing and crafting your own recipes is always a simple yet fun twist on snack time. It makes it so much more rewarding and get your kids thinking creatively. They're only kids for so long. Let there be fun with Skittles.